Once you have correctly arranged the corners of the top layer, all you have to do now is to correctly arrange the edge pieces of the top layer. If you inspect the cube, you will have three possible arrangements. The edge pieces are already correctly arranged and the cube is solved. One side of the cube is completely solved, or none of the sides is completely solved. If none of the sides is completely solved, you just hold the cube how you like and do F2, U, L, R prime, F2, R, L prime, U, F2. This should produce the situation where one of the sides is completely solved. When one of the sides is completely solved, hold the solved side away from you and inspect the other edge pieces to see which direction the front edge piece needs to move in order to be in the correct place. If it needs to move in a clockwise direction, do this algorithm: F2, U, L, R prime, F2, R, L prime, U, F2, and you're done. If the front edge piece needs to move in an anti-clockwise direction, do this algorithm: F2, U prime, L, R prime, F2, R, L prime, U prime, F2, and you're done. Congratulations, you have solved your cube.